You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just
hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is lisaphan, and today I'm doing a back to college dorm essentials haul video. I have a ton of stuff to unbox from a bunch of different stores, and I would also like to mention that today's video is sponsored by Afterpay, so thank you to Afterpay for working with me on today's video. So post-COVID, we're going back to school and it's in person. You guys are gonna need a bunch of things to ramp up for the school year, so I thought I'd share this unboxing haul video with you guys. I haven't done like a true unboxing back to school video in so long, so quite excited. I have these two large boxes that you can't really see because the camera is over there, but I have this box right here, and then I have a large other box sitting over there, and it's kind of crazy, but yeah, post-COVID, we're going back to school and there's a ton of things you guys are gonna need, and Afterpay lets you shop now and pay later, so you don't have to worry about it at this moment. But they were also kind enough to send this really cute box. I took a picture right when it came in the mail, but this is Afterpay's merch they sent me, and I thought it was really cute for loungewear this upcoming school year. So they gave me this little sweat lounge set with their logo on it. We have hoodie and shorts, and then a bucket hat. Now these are super trendy right now. My older sister, she really likes bucket hats, but yeah. Oh, there's even socks. So again, with Afterpay, you can shop now, pay later with 4 installments over 6 weeks. There is 0 interest, no interest fees, no fees in general, as long as you pay on time. So yeah, check out more details about Afterpay down below, but thank you again to them for sponsoring today's video. So now let's go ahead and get started on this unboxing video. I have a ton of stuff. Okay, I shared how massive the boxes are, but it's actually huge. I would hold it up, but I really can't. It's huge and it's right here, so I will just share with you guys picking it up from the box. So first off, I have this little organizer from the Container Store. You guys have probably seen this all over for college dorm tours and organization. It is just one of those like essential dorm pieces for you to organize your toiletries or your makeup, your skincare, your desk supplies like pencils and I don't know, pencils, erasers, stationery. I'll share with you guys the way I organize this, but I love these types of drawers for makeup specifically because you have very limited space on your desks, because usually in dorms they only give you a desk, not like a desk and like a makeup table, you know, and if you're into makeup like me, you have a lot of it, but these hold so much and it's like stacked up. You can stack another one on top, and it is just great for makeup organization. So this is the first item we have from the Container Store. I even got this kind of like shorter, flatter drawer for more makeup. This could also be really cool at your desk for like papers on top, for pencils right here, or to put anything on top that you need. Since there's a lot of space and it's slimmer, you can even put this onto a shelf. So yeah, this in the picture, it shows makeup, so it's like a vanity organizer, but yeah, this is bomb. I love these types of drawers because they're clear, you can see what's inside, clean it really easily, and display it on your desk. Next up, I just have a very simple accessory tray. These are great to catch all of your keys, miscellaneous items. I always leave this on the corner of my desk or a little side table so I can throw in everything I need in here. In the picture here, it shows some like push pins and staplers, but you can use this within a drawer. This would be great for drawer organization, but also as a catch-all dish. Then of course, everyone, I totally recommend to get some sort of vanity mirror. You don't have to get one that lights up unless the lighting is that bad in your dorm, but I survived with a non-lit up mirror for a really long time. So I have this one. This is like an acrylic one, so it matches all the acrylic drawers. This is really cute. I have not assembled it, so maybe I should try. We're not gonna attempt. I'll just show you guys a picture of what it would look like after I make this whole video. But yeah, this is so essential. Even like if you don't do makeup, this is good for putting on your skincare, just checking really quick if you have anything in your eye. People don't really think about it, but dorm rooms usually don't come with mirrors, so this would be really nice to keep on your desk, on your bedside table, or wherever you can fit it. This is a really good size, and the little plate right here, it's like flat. You can like throw something on top. But yeah, I love these little makeup mirrors. Next up, it's something very large, and I love this. I'm like a calendar type of person, so this is amazing. So what we have here is a magnetic glass dry erase board. It's a calendar, so you can use this to jot down due dates, birthdays, important events, things like that, so they can visualize and see right on your wall what you have going on. I have not attempted to mount this yet, but it's made with tempered glass, so it'll resist any breakage, things like that. This could be a cool routine for you to make sure that you know what's going on and have a nice outlook on the next month. So yeah, this is something I'm gonna have in my dorm so I can make sure I have everything up to date. Even if I have something on my phone, I always write it down somewhere else as well, because due dates are so hard to keep track of if you have multiple exams in 1 week or tests, assignments, projects. For my business major, I have a lot of projects, so keeping track of all that. These types of calendars are so necessary, if not on like your desk, then something mounted on the wall for you to see. Now I have to bring this large box over here. We'll just step by step. So my camera just literally decided to not save anything I was talking about for the last like 20 minutes. So if I sound tired, that is why. So anyway. I'm moving on to the larger box now, and I have a couple of things. They're kind of like miscellaneous, but let me just get this one out of the way. So this little piece right here is for organization for heat tools. So you probably don't even think about it, these organizational items, because you're bringing a lot of things to college, but maybe you're like me and you're bringing a lot of hair tools. So I have a hair dryer, curler, and a flat iron, or maybe even more depending on what type of hair tools you like or how often you like to do your hair. But I never had one of these organizing pieces so far in college, and I think it's definitely necessary if you have a couple of things with cords. So this organizes 3 of your hair tools and your cords all in one. You can hook it onto the wall with a wall mount or this little hanger type of hook, and this is nice and oversized to make sure that your tools are being cooled down and stored well. So I definitely am excited to use this. I brought a hair dryer with me, a curler, and a flat iron these past few school years, and I didn't have anything to organize them, and I would always tangle them at the bottom of a drawer or in the bathroom. So this is super nice to make sure that they're all intact in one space. And with this, you can definitely store it in the bathroom or anything like that, or you can like stand it up. I would say you can like keep it upright and put it in one of these. So if you do not have a lot of storage in your dorm, or if you're looking for more, this is one of the best things ever, and I think everyone needs one. This little thing is a 3-tier organizer on wheels, and this is from the Container Store. So what it is, it's literally what I just explained. So there's 3 tiers right here for you to put things on top of, like a little shelf tray thing, and it's on wheels so you can bring it anywhere that you need. So this could be great for makeup. It could be good for all of your school supplies, your catch-all items. This could be a good bedside table if you need one, just so that you can charge your items on it, keep some water on this, and any other essentials that you may grab in the middle of the night or just to have next to your bed or your desk. So that's really nice. I kept a bunch of my beauty products and makeup on it just because that's what I had most of. I don't know if I have a video or like a picture of what I had this past school year, but I have another one because I think it would be also great for the living space. So if you wanted to organize your vacuum at the bottom and your internet router at the top with some miscellaneous things in between like tissues or something that you need in the living space, this would be amazing. And it's not a piece of furniture that's too expensive. It's not like the TV console or like a bookshelf you have to build or something. It's much smaller, much easier to build, and you can even make this like a snack cart, tea cart type of situation. So I love this. It's great. I think everyone needs one, even if you don't think you need one. There's going to be a purpose for it somewhere in your dorm or apartment style living. So I love it. I'm going to definitely use it for the living space since I already have one for my bedroom. Next up, we have backpacks from Herschel. So I actually already took this out of its packaging, but we have these 2 backpacks that I got for the school year. I have not decided which one I'm going to use primarily yet, but we have this plain black one. This is one of Herschel's more simple designs. It has like the little strap at the top, padded shoulder straps or whatever. The inside has the thinner pocket in the back, so you can throw in anything back here. It could be your laptop. It's not like the most padded area for a laptop. I think Herschel backpacks are a great size for college because I personally don't bring around like big textbooks or anything like that. I feel like all that type of material is online these days. So this is a nice size backpack. It's not too heavy. Then we have a slightly more elevated version of Herschel, and if you don't have a Herschel backpack, they're just really cute, I feel like, and they're not too expensive, so I think they're a great option for college. I have like this smaller pink one I used to use, and it's so cute. They just have the best designs, and it functions really well. So, but at the top here, I think there's like a fleece lined inside for you to throw your phone in it. I wonder if my phone will fit. My phone's usually too big. Oh, I think it fits. This case is a little weird for the fleece material, but if you don't have like a silicone case, throw it in there really quick, and it's nice and protected because it's fleece and its own little small pocket at the top, and you can just grab it really quick or keep you from being distracted in class. So that's a nice little feature of this backpack. And then in the inside, so this one has a nicer laptop sleeve in the back because it's also fleece lined and padded. So what we have here back here is black fleece in the inside, and it's padded here and on the back for you to nicely put your laptop in in there without any scratches. Love this one. I just need like a good size backpack to throw in my stuff. I only have a 13-inch laptop, so usually most bags fit it. So I have these two options for the upcoming school year, and backpacks are definitely necessary. I feel like totes and stuff like that are cute, but for me, I have a back problem, so double straps are definitely a bit more comfortable, and I always recommend backpacks for college. So these will keep you organized and together the entire day. If you live far off campus or your dorm is just not easily accessible, you need your stuff with you. So all right, and next up, I actually am wearing one of the items I want to share with you guys and unbox. If you know me in person, this is probably a surprise because I would never wear this out in public, but I've been loving them for inside. Like, I 100% recommend to have inside shoes versus outside shoes for your dorm. I now have some Crocs to wear inside. I would never wear these outside, so I know they'll stay a little bit cleaner to wear inside the house. So yeah, once I switch off of my outside shoes, I wear something else. And these are it. I got these because I knew how comfy they were. I just was never on the wave. They were really, really popular growing up. These are just some sparkly tie-dye Crocs. Look at that. It's really cute. Like, it's super, super cute. It's just not my particular style, but for inside, they're really, really comfortable. They're lightweight. There's holes in it, so it won't get too hot, and they're comfortable. So you can just wear these around your dorm, your apartment. I think shower shoes are a little bit different. I would recommend if you're doing like communal bathrooms, you wear like flip-flops shower shoes, but these are great for anything else. All right, and next up we have two pairs of shoes. The next here are from Nike, and I definitely recommend to make sure you have comfortable walking shoes, especially if your campus is really big. You're gonna be walking back and forth from a lot of different buildings to your room, so make sure you're wearing a comfortable outfit and comfortable shoes, most importantly, throughout the whole entire day. I have these new ones from Nike. They're like these white sneakers with some pink and matcha green detailing. I just think they're really cute and sweet and pastel. So we have these shoes. You just need some really good walking shoes and comfy shoes to either just walk out and about or work out in. Speaking of working out, I do not do anything super aggressive. I'm not the most intense workout person. If anything, I do indoor Pilates in my own dorm room, so nothing crazy, but you definitely need some athletic shoes or something to work out in separately. So what I have here are from Adidas, and you can get these shoes from Finish Line. I just have these NMDs from Adidas. They're in this white color with cream detailing and leopard print on the back, so it's like all beige and neutral, which is definitely my vibe. For NMDs, I am not the most well-versed in shoes or exercise wear, but for me, I do nothing intense really. Some lightweight shoes are really good for working out, running, whatever you need to do, but NMDs are nice and lightweight, so if you don't do anything too high intensity, I think these are fine. You're gonna need some comfy shoes, and I have these and my Crocs. So all right guys, and last but not least, I have two clothing items from Gap, which if you don't know, Gap is like getting popular again, especially their like logo hoodies and just like their essentials for back to school. Especially they have good quality clothes, all your basics, all your staples to be comfy for the school year. So I have two pieces. One item here, I have a logo hoodie. It is the navy color with the Gap on it. Hoodies are a must, and this one's a nice lightweight one, so it's good for the beginning of the school year when it's still a little bit hot. Okay, so yeah, we have this Gap hoodie. It's just nice and lightweight to lounge around in, study at the library. And then last but not least, I just have a pair of Gap denim, which I've heard incredible things about, and Gap in general has really good high quality clothes. So, okay, so I have the straight high-rise low stretch. I have not tried these on yet, but they look really good. It's just like a nice pair of blue jeans. I actually think jeans are pretty comfy, so I wear jeans to class. You don't have to, but whatever you like most, leggings, hoodies, whatever, wear comfy clothes, bring the clothes that you wear repeatedly. Just think about what you wear on a daily basis. Gap has all the essentials for the school year, so check them out. So yeah, I think that is it for today's haul video. All right, so I have to take off the hoodie because it's actually like so hot. I don't know why I put it on, but yeah, those are all of the pieces that I unboxed for you guys for this back to college haul. This is not a school supplies haul, so stay tuned for a school supplies haul later in my back to school series this year. Yeah, these are all the new essentials I got for my new apartment slash dorm. I'm living in an apartment, but it's basically the size of a dorm near campus, so I will share with you guys all of that process when that comes. But yeah, I just have all of my new back to school pieces, and be sure to check out more details on Afterpay down below again, so that you can buy everything you need for back to school season now and be better than ever post COVID. So all right guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for many parts of my back to school series because we're going back in person. There's many things that I need to share with you guys and to get for myself, so check out all the details on today's video down below, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye beauties!
Won't get sick of us. You mess up teen crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking by my